Here's a super quick way to show you how to create tabs on a site's page. So you have your three options right here. Insert, so you can do different ways to organize your content. And then you have pages, and then you have themes. Okay, so in pages, here you've got your home page. You click new page, and you can write lessons. So this will create a button up here. And then if you want to have content underneath that button, you can write lesson 1 verbs. So at this point, we were going to have 3 different tabs up here, but I actually want this to reside under lessons. So I'm going to take it and drag it underneath it. And you can see how now I have a pull down. So from there, I can do something like verb overview material. And then instead of it being its separate tab under lessons, I actually want that under my lesson 1. So I click that, and there it is right here. Okay. So if I wanted to create another tab here, let's just say unit review. Okay. When it drops it down here, if I bring it up over the top of home, it will recognize I want it to reside up there. So I take this, I put it right there, and then I've got unit review. And then I found it was a hard way to organize this stuff. So what I just do is I take home and I bring it above the unit review versus bringing unit review down. So there you have it. So if I want to do a quick unit review, let's say mod 1. Say that happens, right? So I don't want that there. I actually want it under here. So I grab it and I bring it to the highlighted unit review, and then boom, it's underneath it. So there you go. That's a quick tutorial on how to create these tabs, and you can see here we go, we've got them.